Hello, everybody. I'm Professor Niv-Solomon, and I want to welcome you to the Winter Intersession 2025 Introduction to Political Science, which is class Paul 103. This is a fully online asynchronous class, which means we don't have any real-time sessions or in-person sessions. Everything you need is on the CUNY CSI new learning management system, Brightspace. So make sure that you have access to Brightspace and that you understand how to move around within it. If you have any questions, you can ask me, but please be patient with me as well because I'm learning this new system which we are using for the very first time right now. Also remember that this is a winter intersession class and you are getting full credits within 3 weeks as opposed to a full semester, which is 14 or 15 weeks. This means this is going to be an intensive, rapid paced class and you have to have the time to log in daily, review material, read, watch, and then interact with our tasks and assignments and tests as they are posted. Right, so this is the screen that you're supposed to see when you log into Brightspace and enter our class. And what I want you to see over here is that you can have some general information like questions that provide you more information, access to my virtual office hours, the syllabus and the weekly plans, as well as assignments and other things, and exams, of course. As you can see, right now, some of those topics or some of those tabs have contact in them, and others show you that there aren't any topics in them yet, but those would fill in as we continue on. The first thing that I want you to do is to enter the syllabus tab and to then read the syllabus. Make sure that you understand everything that I'm asking you to do and that you know where to find everything and what are the expectations. I would like to call your attention to the grading system, and I would like you to think and plan accordingly. Here are the requirements and how I break a grade. You are graded on a point system, and you can accumulate as many or as little points as you choose to. For example, every day that you log into the system, you will receive 10 points. The system gets a digital stamp every time you go in, so there's no argument about did you log in or did you not log in on a certain date. So if you log into all days during the semester, you will earn 210 points. If you miss a day or two, you will earn a little bit less. For the assignments, there will be 4 of them throughout the semester, and you can earn up to 25 points each for a total of 100 points. The discussion forums is where all the interactive action happens, where you are interacting with me and with each other. And here, the system allows you to accumulate points. So before we get deep into the semester and people start asking about extra credit, this is your extra credit. All you have to do is post regularly and post more than the minimum required, and you will earn more points. So for every post you make that is relevant to the discussion forum and is at least 30 words in length, you will earn 2 points. and also that is on time. That means you can earn 2 points for a discussion forum, but you can also earn 10 points or 20 points or how many that you want, as long as you are relevant to that discussion on time within the time limit posted, and each of those posts is at least 30 words in length. That means that for posts like I agree, you will not receive the 2 points. You will not receive 1 point, you will not receive any points. If you develop a reaction, I agree with X, Y, and Z because I also think that 1, 2, 3, then you will receive the points. And then the final exam has a big chunk of your points, and it will be online, of course, like everything else, and it is worth 310 points. After that, this is how you will be graded for the class. The more points you accumulate, the higher your grade is, and it is up to you to plan accordingly and strategically and to understand where and how you can earn points. This is a zero cost class, meaning you do not have to purchase any material or textbook. Everything you need is on Brightspace. I'll show you in a minute where. But you do have to review those materials, watch the videos, listen to my mini lectures, etc. I also encourage you, and sometimes you will be required to follow the news. Here are some suggested places, but you can use any other reliable news source that you like. Feedback and communication. The more feedback you give me, the better learning experience I can provide you. If something's missing, if you're not sure about something, please ask me. Contact me by email or post it on the question and answers discussion forum, and I will get back to you within 24 hours, many times much, much sooner than that. Um, but if you have a problem and you don't tell me about it, then I didn't know about it. Okay. I also want to be helpful and want all of you to succeed in this class. And I am here and I'm available and I'm reading all your work. And sometimes I grade it if it's graded work or interact with it. But you need to also keep the communication open. I will communicate through daily announcements that you will receive in the email that CUNY has for you. So if this is not an email that you're using, either update it or provide me with a different email that you are checking, or do both. Right, let's go back and look at the class. Right, we were watching the syllabus. You always have this side table of content over here. Next place that you would want to go to is weekly plans, where you will see number 1, number 2, number 3. Some of those have dates that they are sensitive and they will come up in and out. But all in all, we will have a total of um, 13 units or days, and you will have to interact with all of the materials in them. Most of those units look like that. It will give you some learning goals. It will tell you what to read and what to review, reading, slideshows and recorded mini lectures, there are videos, and then if there's anything to complete this week, it will provide you with tasks to complete this week, and you click on it and it would link you or get you to the right place. Um, Discussions right here. This is where all the discussion forums can be found. And right now, if you log in, what you'll see open is discussion about your expectations. This is optional. But since I am telling you what I expect from you, you can tell me what you expect from me in terms of what you want to study, what do you hope to study, how responsive you want me to be, grading, anything that you want to share with me about your expectations. You can do that until January 5. I think that that's very important for you to be able to understand what you want out of this class. There is the discussion forum about question that is open for questions and answers, and that will remain open throughout the semester. And whenever you have a question, please post it right here. And then you will see the introductions discussion forum, which is very important. I want to get to know you, and I want you to get to know each other because it's just going to make for a much better learning experience for all of us. And so please introduce yourself, follow those prompts, and do that in the next couple of days. After that, you will see more discussion forums open. Right now, the next one to come would be um, about news analysis, but that is not until January 3, where it will open up for you and you will have 3 days to complete it. So this is where I will end this very mini lecture. I will hope that you are excited about this class. I know it's busy, I know it's intensive, um, and be, I hope it will be a good experience for you. Please, please, please keep the communication open and let me know your thoughts and your needs, and we will have a successful semester. So happy New Year 2025 to all of you and enjoy the semester.